slow to get into it over the next couple of years, but I've much enjoyed the hobby and picking up products and putting them in vehicles, and next plan to study my general license here in March once I get those 3 times from work.
I'm listening to the Ham Radio Venture Overland Net. Seamus N7MYW started it back up. I ran it a few years ago, but there was no interest. Activity died off, and now we're kick-starting it again. And so if you haven't been on Ham Radio Venture Overland or participated in our net, you're missing out. So come on and join us. Join the talk group. A lot of great guys and ladies in here. We talk about anything and everything, even though we're overland related. There's so many other hobbies that coincide, have in common with overlanding, like photography and camping and glamping and hiking and hunting and fishing and all that stuff. It all goes hand in hand. So get over here because you're missing out.